Muy bien, mira. 1, 2 y 3. ¡Boing! Mira cuántos pececitos. ¿Te gusta? Mami, ven, corre. Mira qué bonito. El Mateo es que hasta
Mateo was born 4 years ago. We saw that some things were different with the other kids.
¿Quieres ir arriba? Podemos ir a la playa.
We didn't find too much help from the school, and we had our worst months. Every day we went together to drop Mateo off. I was pregnant with Rio as well, and we go back home every day crying, every day. It's a lot of changes in the same week. It's difficult to be in other place, other timetable, other food, other plans, no school, no therapy, and it's hard for him. Tienes que llegar, cariño.
¿Podemos ir a la playa?
Okay, your kid is autistic, but the parents are not ready with this, so we need to learn a lot.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, probably Mateo teach us a lot as well. Yeah.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Tu cara qué significa? Sé que reina casa, pero
We always, when we speak about Mateo and this,
He's really sensible with that.
ask Claudia now. I come back soon.
Clar, per això... Quina hora és? Ja no era la dinar?
You have to think about Mateo all the time, you know, or sometimes you want to do some things and we can't because it's not good for Mateo. The holidays is always difficult. So tomorrow we go back to London and he will be fine. Is he?